Here we are, we're closing up the house. We're just basically going around turning off appliances. This one I thought it'd be cool. Already turned these off. The exhaust fan, the blown exhaust fan, this was on. Already turned this off. These are on. Just turned these off, I think. Yeah, just turned that off. Wait a minute. Make sure the keyboard was off. Messing around with the organ, trying to disturb the dog. You know me. Turn this very cool light fixture off. It's off. Turned off the Lasco box fan, which I used to make it more even around here. Turn this off. Everything is off right here. These two lights are controlled by the top switch. Everything else, just double checking. Yes. And it's nice and creepy down here. This fan off. This one also off. You know. Off. This will just leave because they said it's off anyway. Hang on, just make sure everything's off. That is it to make sure everything is off. This is off. It's off. Off. Last thing is this, which is off.